Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I'm making a new batch of my mom's miracle BESAN face wash powder. It is a wonderful recipe that smells amazing, does wonders to our skin, and above all, it is so very easy to make. I usually prefer to make gram flour at home. For that, I'm sun-drying split chickpeas, also called as chana dal. Sun-dry for 3 to 4 hours under hot sunlight. Powder it while it is still crisp from sun-drying. Now sieve to get a smooth powder. Now add in quarter cup of gram flour in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of white turmeric powder to it. Finally, add in a tablespoon of orange peel powder. Now mix well till all the ingredients are combined well together. This is a very fragrant powder that does wonders to the skin. All the 3 ingredients in this powder helps to treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne, scars and inflammation. But just make sure that all the 3 powders are very smooth. This is especially important if you're planning to use it as an everyday face wash powder. My mom uses white turmeric, which we call Pulangilanga in Tamil, for this powder. It is wonderful for skincare and does not stain the skin. And it also does not irritate the skin like kasturi turmeric. Once mixed well, store it in an airtight box, away from moisture. It should last well at room temperature for about 2 months or more. If you feel your powders are a bit coarse, make sure to sieve using a fine sieve before using. To use, take the powder and mix it with cooked rice water or plain water. If you have extremely dry skin, mix it with curd. Apply on the face and neck. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. If you try this natural face wash once, you'll never go back to using store-bought face washes. It smells incredible, cleans well, and will greatly help us get an even skin tone without any blemishes. It is mid-morning now, and I thought I'll have my favorite blue tea made out of blue butterfly pea flowers. We have them growing all over our farm. They are very rich in antioxidants and have wonderful anti-aging properties. I like to have it unsweetened with a dash of lemon juice, but you can also sweeten with honey if you prefer. I also love to see the color change once we add the lemon juice. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.